The unwieldy time of stacking recognitions, degree authentications is finished. It used to be gigantically incorporated. Assuming they get lost or harmed, the results are hopeless. It may be the case that years after the fact, even the responsible organization probably won't exist. Sharing these qualifications is likewise a mammoth undertaking, with these testaments being an actual structure. Consequently, a sealed and exceptionally secure structure was expected to help in putting away and re-establishing all information on the blockchain-empowered stage where in any event, exchanging could be worked with alongside quicker installments and exchanges. Allow us to break down the ongoing subtleties of Digibyte and comprehend the Digibyte cost expectation for what's in store. A seed thought that was conceptualized by a lead engineer, Jared Tate, in 2014. Digibyte was brought to the front mostly to resolve these issues of sped-up, decentralization, and security. Jared Tate is otherwise called Digiman. Beginning block was mined in 2014. With the foundation of blockchain and collecting on the advantages of decentralized finance, DeFi, Digibyte set the standard of being the first blockchain on the planet to introduce something many refer to as SegWit. This novel component implies that data connected with exchanges will in general get assembled independently and not among the other data on a similar block, subsequently working with exchanges' dramatic speed. This sort of innovation will go about as a significant power supporter demonstrating progressive in the realm of installment, going about as an impetus to empower quick-fire exchanges in the worldwide installment environment. Digibyte will get extreme as change the digital currency market. Digibyte, taking the master helpline. Cryptocurrency should value expectations would continuously work out, particularly assuming they are regrading Digibyte forecasts. In any case, the majority of them would rather not because of their unpredictable cost activity as a general rule. Actually, it's not possible for anyone to foresee the future cost gauge precisely, particularly in an industry as unstable as digital currency, despite the fact that set in an exceptionally unstable universe of cryptographic forms of money. Great elements like tight security conventions and a high-level calculation assume a truly crucial part in impacting ventures. The essential target of the Digibyte group has been to guarantee straightforwardness and, simultaneously, protection. Tracking down balance in both could be an extreme test, so say the specialists who anticipate the eventual fate of Digibyte. So what are the future Digibyte expectations for the coin? Allow us to have a brief glance at what specialists need to say in regards to DGB cost forecast. Our Digibyte cost forecast proposes the typical cost of 1 DGB coin would be 3 cents by July 2022. The most extreme cost gain in the present moment is supposed to be 4 cents constantly and the drawn-out greatest cost expected by master DGB value expectation will reach 35 cents in the 5 years. The Digibyte cost is determined to reach 3 cents by the start of December 2022. The normal greatest cost is 4 cents, least cost 3 cents. The Digibyte cost expectation predicts normal cost of Digibyte to be as 3 cents for the year's end. Digibyte could be a decent portfolio expansion for what's in store. The future cost of DGB coin is anticipated at a typical cost of 6 cents following a year as per our forecast framework got from specialized examination. Contrasted with what Digibyte was somewhat recently, it sounds tolerably negative. Still, there is an expectation that the DGB cost may effortlessly swing around 4 cents. Cost forecast Digibyte by Tech News Pioneer uncovers the cost of 1 DGB could go to 3 cents in 1 year. The transient Digibyte cost figure in light of specialized examination predicts the most extreme cost of Digibyte to hit 6 cents. As per our Digibyte value expectation for 2022, the DGB cost can go as high as 4 cents, and it will merit a typical cost of 15 cents in 5 years. In view of the verifiable Digibyte cost input information, the Digibyte cost expectation framework extends that the cost of Digibyte is brilliant. Also, toward the finish of 2022, the DGB cost may be around 6 cents with 156.46% change. Toward the finish of 2027, Digibyte might exchange around 16 cents with 554.91% change to current cost. Likewise with some other advanced money, Digibyte is the subject of totally various perspectives. The ongoing cost of DGB is 2 cents while composing this DGB cost expectation. With business sectors being up today, it tends to be a decent purchase with a nice crypto rating over the long haul. The market capitalization of Digibyte is $370,633,807. What should be seen here is that right from commencement in 2014 till May 2017, the coin showed no huge value changes and lay slow with next to no beam of expectation for financial backers, despite the fact that there were changes and advancements occurring in the innovation of blockchain industry. This resource stayed languid to move an inch. To put it authentically, numerous financial backers didn't have the foggiest idea about the resource even existed. The Digibyte cost didn't actually move any higher than $0 this specific time span. Then, at that point, as though a fountain of liquid magma ejected, the Digibyte cost cleared its path through numerous different partners, moving to 10 cents in under several months. Right now, the Digibyte cost is remedied down and resting above 2 cents. Digibyte value forecast 2022. Taking into account there are no unexpected shocks or a stony way forward for the cryptographic money market. Digibyte cost expectation figure that Digibyte is good to go to certify areas of strength for its as a significant fascination among its financial backer local area. The street ahead is brimming with petals gave the financial backers certainty continues blasting, bringing about a significant push to the Digibyte value. DGB forecast uncovers the coin across all boundaries, scaling at the most extreme cost of 1 Digibyte to be 3 cents. Digibyte value expectation 2023. Digibyte has laid out a quick, solid organization and works with the client experience of the item. These elements can assist the coin with acquiring a lot higher Digibyte cost of 3 cents. If the drive for useful crypto go on into 2023, the greatest cost of 1 Digibyte may try and see a worldview rush. Digibyte value expectation 2024. There are many DGB cost expectations going ahead for Digibyte, particularly keeping in context the mechanical declarations and progress the corporate has plans on. There are suspicions made by different DGB expectations that the typical cost of 1 token might stretch around 4 cents. The blessing has been finished by significantly security and versatility highlights. The intriguing limited-time adventures might wrap up making the financial backers collect the increases. Albeit the digital money markets are totally capricious, it would maybe take a marvel for Digibyte to build its typical cost of Digibyte by that much in such a short measure of time. Thus, returning to the above DGB value expectation of around $0.045 and utilizing an expected complete flow of 15 billion coins. This would esteem the market cap of Digibyte project at $28 billion. Digibyte value expectation 2025. Digibyte is additionally dynamic in the piece of local area drives. Taking into account they keep up force earning huge outcome as far as market cap. Their drives zeroing in on training, effort, and developments might take them to a calculable level of another high of 5 cents. Our Digibyte cost expectation figure the typical cost of Digibyte will reach 5 cents mark by 2025. Digibyte value forecast 2026. In the event that all markets turn good, the Digibyte cost is set to break all boundaries and perform richly, scaling the high of 4 cents, violating all restrictions north of 2026. The coin would to be sure give indications of fortune for its financial backers. Upheld by powerful savvy gets, the Digibyte cost might cross 5 cents toward the finish of 2026. The geniuses cut the usefulness behind Digibyte. Thus, in a drawn-out situation, the Digibyte cost is set to get a move on with other digital currencies to show up at a typical cost of Digibyte of 10 cents plainly. A stunning confidence is likewise anticipated for DGB principally because of its reliable presentation over the course of the years could assist with scaling its past all-time high soon. Many market tutors dread that it might see some high points and low points. Be that as it may, these anxieties may not hold for a real